everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed for you guys this makeup look over here. It's been such a long time since I filmed a makeup tutorial, so I'm really sorry to keep you guys waiting. But so today I figured that I would film for you guys this kind of affordable drugstore fall back to school whatever makeup look. So I picked up a lot of products from Walmart, Shoppers, Drug Mart, and this was kind of like a requested video to do a more drugstore products tutorial. So that's what I've got over here for you guys today. And I also did a very quick mini hair tutorial on this little bun with the bow. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this makeup look and this hair, then please keep watching. So if you guys see me squinting a lot, just ignore that because I don't have contacts in right now, so I can't see anything. And so just to start off, I'm actually gonna go in with this concealer for the base for my eyeshadow. So I picked up this palette from Walmart and it's the Maybelline New York Burgundy Bar. Super pretty. It's like very fall kind of colors. So the first shade I'm going to use, I'm going to pick up this one right over here in the corner. I'm going to use that to kind of set right underneath the brow and highlight. Ooh, that is pigmented. Okay, Maybelline, I see you. I see you. So the only thing that I don't have that's drugstore for this tutorial is eyebrows. So I'm just going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow. Just going to quickly fill in my brows. Okay, so now that I've got my brows on, I'm gonna go back to this palette and I'm gonna start off with this shade over here, just right in the crease. Next, I'm going to pick up this shade over here and I'm gonna put that just right underneath what we just did in the crease and just kind of blending it forward. Then I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and I'm gonna take this purplish shade over here and I'm gonna blend that in a kind of V in the outer corner. Then I'm just gonna go back to that blending brush and kind of blend it all out. And I'm also going to actually go back to that red shade. I'm going to pick it up on a fluffy brush. And I'm going to kind of place it in between to create a kind of faded ombre kind of look. So like the reddish kind of cranberry color blends out into the burgundy. I'm just going back to the burgundy and just kind of darkening it up a little bit. So of course my camera had to just cut me off right in the middle of what I was saying, but basically I used a little bit of my concealer at the front and then I just blended it out and I used this shade in the palette. It's kind of like this goldish shimmery shade and I popped that right in the front and then I went back in with the brush that we had the red on and I just kind of blended everything. So next thing I'm going to be doing is eyeliner, and the one that I'm using is the NYC liquid eyeliner, so it's just the classic black. Usually now I'd go in with my mascara, but since I already have some on, I'm not going to add any more. But the one that I usually use is the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. This has been my go-to mascara recently, just for like every day. I love it. It's really, really good. Gives you a lot of volume and it's very affordable. So next I'm going to do lashes, and the ones that I picked up are from Walmart. These ones are Kiss lashes. I've tried a lot of Kiss lashes before actually, and they are really good and super affordable. So I picked these ones up and they're super pretty. They're pretty full, but they look pretty natural, so I don't know, we'll see. They're very pretty and fluffy. I'm excited to try these. So the glue that I'm using is the Duo Glue as usual. I used to buy this one at Sephora, but they actually started selling this green one that I like at Walmart. So how about that? And it's half the price. Sephora sells it for 12 bucks. I got it at Walmart for 6. So that's a steal. Okay guys, so I just put my lashes on and I did just a little bit of mascara on top to blend them right in. So we're gonna move on to the face, and the primer that I'm using is the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. So this primer is awesome. It just like nicely fills your pores and it's oil free and it's super affordable. Next I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and the one that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me. I've been using this a lot lately. It's actually really, really good and it smells amazing. Like honestly, I'm such a sucker for like products that smell nice, so I was sold on this one. And this one is the Hydrate and Smooth formula, and my shade is 210 Sandy Beige. Honestly, every single product in this video was either $10 or less. So I found it pretty amazing considering like the performance of all of the products. One thing I forgot to do was set my eyebrows, and I'm using my brow gel. This is a clear brow gel, which is fairly dirty now because after using the pomade and I just go over it, it gets pretty dirty. But this one, I actually figured out the brand. It's Ardell. Honestly, when I didn't used to have any brow gel, I used to take a little spoolie and just spray it with hairspray and use that to set my eyebrows, and it actually worked wonders. So hey, if you're on a budget, that's an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this one is also the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this one is the shade number 10 Light. Alright, so for setting powder, I'm using the Maybelline, surprise, surprise, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This one is the shade number 20 Light Medium. So I'm actually going to go back in with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to do the under eye. I'm going to be using this purple burgundy shade over here. So for bronzer, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna be using my Milani Baked Bronzer, and this one is in the shade number 6 Golden. Also going to contour the nose a little bit. Then for blush, I'm going in with my Milani Cosmetics blush. It says number 9. It's called Red Vino. And finally, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. I've been so excited to try this because I saw it like all over Instagram, online and stuff, and it's supposed to be really good. Let's just swatch it really quickly. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. So this one is the shade 100 Molten Gold. Sure. Yes. Woo! And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. Oh my god, this smells amazing. I was swatching these when I was choosing a shade for which one to buy, and honestly what got me was the smell. Like, I couldn't even resist. I'm going to be using my Bite Lip Liner to line my lips. This is number 42 because I don't have a shade to match this lipstick. So if you want like a really quick, easy, like you really need to just throw your hair together, what I would usually do, or something just like really cute and easy hairstyle, I would just like pull my hair back into a low bun. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Just gonna put it to the side a little bit. I'm gonna secure it with a hair tie. And then I like to kind of pull it apart a little bit so it almost looks like messy. And then I'm just going to add a little bow, and I'm going to take this right over here and just put it right on top. And that's what it should look like, just a really pretty bow to add a little bit of a detail so it doesn't look so plain. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's been such a long time that I've done a makeup tutorial, so this was really fun to recreate. I think it's so beautiful. Such a nice makeup look for fall with like the burgundy shades, and you guys know that I never usually do lipstick in videos, and so I think that's a first. Also, all of the products used are drugstore products, so I feel like that was a highly requested video that you guys wanted to see because I do usually use a lot of Sephora products. So I wanted to make a video for you guys that you guys wanted to see and that you can hopefully recreate on a budget. And just a super quick, easy kind of little hair tutorial to do for school, for work. I'm aware that this look is probably a little bit too glam for school or whatever, but you could definitely tone it down however you want. I just wanted to do like a nice kind of fall look for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like it. You can leave a comment, share it, and please don't forget to subscribe and just click that little bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!